Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. And today we'll be redeeming codes we got from a chest IRL.
Okay, let's go open the chest.
We've got the box, so let's open it.
Let's see what's inside. Nate, do you know what's in here? Because I don't. How do you open it?
Didn't it say the content? Ooh.
Oh, what the heck? Wait.
It's smushy.
Okay, so we got two Oh, this thing's giant. What is that?
I
see
can
it.
kind of see.
I cannot tell what that is.
Yeah, I kind of see glow Pikmin. You
Okay.
know those little guys?
No. I'll put a picture on screen. Okay, so let's just move the box out of the way. Here, show them.
Oh, yeah, I
show them
think I
that, show them
found
that.
the poster thingy. See, it said on the
This is
wrapping.
pretty small poster.
Yeah, you're right. Ooh, there's
And
the
some stickers. These look kind of weird. Anyway, here, open one of these and I'll open one.
Okay,
I
and...
got, wait, what is this? Oh, I got a
Ooh,
dove.
look. I got this exclusive DLC scratch me codes. And sorry, we can't show you them. But guess what? Look at what I got. I got a dragon.
Look, hey, wait.
Oh wait, its wings flap.
Okay, wait, so there's a third one. You know?
Nice. Oh yes.
A dog. What the
Hey,
heck?
its
It's like
tail
a yellow
wags.
dog.
Its tail wags. I think this is supposed to be a golden dog. Okay, and
What's in it?
I feel something.
What is it?
Ooh,
What the heck
it's
is
a
that?
plushie, and it's a turtle. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Oh, wait, it's like a smushy. This one feels like it has something on top of its head. What the heck? Why?
It's a Unikitty.
Wait,
it's
what? Oh, it is a
Unikitty.
cat. Wait,
Oh yeah.
the heck of mushed.
It's Unikitty from the Lego movie.
That is not from the Lego movie. This thing, I see a lot of
similar.
dots on this thing.
Yeah, that looks like the eyes of glow.
Wait, what is this? Oh!
The blue must have been making it look green.
It did look very good.
Colors.
We got these a long time ago for a video, but we never uploaded it. And this one was in the pack, and then this one. And it's an error because this is the normal wing, and this wing is upside down. Bruh. Alright, now back into the game. Okay, so we have the codes, and we're ready to redeem them. I don't know how to redeem codes. I haven't done it in forever. I think it's in the shop. Oh, right here. Okay. Redeem. Redeem. Here we go. Wait. Okay, here. First code. Redeem. I just got this. Wait, what the heck? Googly egg. I still have that? Nathan, it's a guaranteed huge.
Wow.
What?
Okay, time to see what exclusive is.
And we got that from Target.
Okay, next code. Wait, what? It already opened? Wait, do I just spam it? Nathan. Golden huge?
Wait, that's the thing we got.
Okay, wait, we're gonna open the next two eggs in the trading plaza.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're in the trading plaza and we're gonna open both eggs. First we'll open, can't believe we got a huge. That's crazy. I've never gotten a huge. This is only number 612 in the world.
What?
Okay, we'll open the exclusive googly egg first. What's in it?
Nope.
Bruh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it's huge.
Oh, I look like crazy once it comes out.
Okay.
Okay, I'm timing you. All right. 3, 2, 1.
What is it?
That's a type.
That is not a Titanic. Oh, huge infernal stealth bobcat.
That's a long name.
Yeah, it's a very long name, but I don't care. It's a huge.
So we're ending this video on a high C's note.
Bruh.
So see ya. Bye.
Bye.